Hello everyone. Welcome back to your 15 hours spoken English certificate course. I am Taruna Makhija and today we shall be doing our lesson 8 pronoun. So to begin with, we have our spoken tutorial. After we are done with the spoken tutorial, you may attempt your assignment and your test. Please understand that attempting your assignment and your test on all days for 15 days is compulsory to get your certificate. So let us start with today's lesson, pronoun. So we'll begin with the meaning of pronoun. Pronoun is usually a substitute of a noun. They are also known as words which replace the nouns. Pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. So in the previous lesson, आपने जो अब last lesson किया वो noun के ऊपर किया. Noun क्या होता है, which are the different types of noun. So अब ये pronoun जो है वो एक noun के जगह पर use होता है. This is what you mean as a substitute of a noun. So अगर मुझे कोई sentence में noun को replace करना है ना, तो I will be replacing it with a pronoun. So this is what the second sentence also says. They are also known as words which replace the nouns. Pronouns, अब ये replace करने की क्या need है? What is the need to replace the nouns or to substitute the noun? So pronouns are used to avoid repeating the same nouns over and over again. So if I am having number of sentences और वो number of sentences में मेरा एक particular noun बार बार repeat हो रहा है and I do not want to repeat that noun again and again, तो वो noun की जगह पे what will I use? I will be using the pronoun. So let us understand this with an example. Now as you can see on the screen, Sushma is a good girl. Sushma is very good at sports as well as studies. Sushma is very obedient girl. So आपने last lesson में पढ़ा होगा कि there is one type of noun that is proper noun. So Sushma over here is a proper noun. So I have used this proper noun Sushma again and again. Sushma is a good girl. Sushma is very good at sports as well as studies. Sushma is very obedient girl. So if I don't want to use this noun Sushma again and again, what will I do? I will be using the pronoun. So let us see how it goes then. Sushma is a good girl. She is very good at sports as well as studies. She is a very obedient girl. So to replace my noun Sushma, what have I used? I have used the pronoun she, even here as well as here. So pronouns are used as a substitute of a noun. So यहाँ पे Sushma is a girl, so we have used the pronoun she to replace it. Similarly, if it is a boy, we will be using the pronoun he, and if it is a thing or an object, we will be using the pronoun it. So this is the general meaning of pronoun. Now let us see what we are going to learn in this lesson ahead. Next, we are going to see types of pronoun. So there are many types of pronoun, but in this lesson, we are going to do 4 main types of pronoun. The 4 main types which you are going to do are subjective pronoun, जिसे हम personal pronoun भी बोलते हैं, objective pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. We are going to do these 4 types of pronoun in detail one by one. So let us begin with the first type. So our first type is subjective pronoun. So subjective pronouns are also known as personal pronouns. They are used as subject of the sentence. They take the place of person or things in the sentence. Now एक sentence के कुछ parts होते हैं. The parts of a sentence are subject, object and predicate. Subject usually सबसे पहले आता है एक sentence में. तो subjective pronouns जो हैं वो उस subject के place पे subject को substitute करने के लिए ही use होते हैं. Now because they substitute the subject of the sentence, इसीलिए हम उन्हें बुलाते हैं subjective pronoun. Now let us see this example to understand it better. Ram is a strong boy. यहाँ पे subject राम है, सो व्हाट इज़ अ सब्जेक्ट? सब्जेक्ट वो होता है जो डूअर होता है सेंटेंस में, जो क्रिया करता है एक सेंटेंस में, उसे हम सब्जेक्ट बुलाते हैं. सो राम ओवर हियर इज द सब्जेक्ट. तो राम की जगह पे जो प्रोनाउन यूज होगा उस प्रोनाउन को हम बोलते हैं सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन. सो राम इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉय. He does yoga every day. So I have used this pronoun he in place of the subject Ram. That is why he is a subjective pronoun. So let us see this table to understand more about subjective pronouns. First person. So if I want to talk about first person, अगर मुझे मेरे बारे में या हमारे बारे में कुछ बात करनी है, so that is first person. सिंगुलर मतलब अगर मैं एक के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. प्लूरल मतलब अनेक के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट स्पेसिफाइंग व्हाट आर दीज कॉल्ड इन हिंदी. एक, अनेक. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन, इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सिंगुलर, तो आई विल यूज द प्रोनाउन आई एज द सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन, सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे. And if there are many people, then we will use the pronoun we. So if the class is saying we are the best class, so for the class is plural, so the subjective pronoun will be used we. Second person, मैं अगर सामने वाले के लिए यूज़ कर रही हूँ तो it will be singular के लिए you and plural के लिए भी you. Now how दोनों के लिए you? Simple है. If I am talking to one person, I'll say you are a very good boy. Or if I am talking to the class, now class is plural, you are a very good class. So this way, even for singular as well as plural, second person subjective pronoun which is used is you. Third person, so अगर मैं अपने बारे में नहीं, सामने वाले के बारे में नहीं, बट किसी थर्ड पार्टी के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, then what is the pronoun that we are going to use? It is he, she and it. So he is used for a male, she for female, and it may be for a thing or an animal. So you have seen this one example over here. Ram is a strong boy. Ram के जगह पे we have used he, singular है. Similarly, we can say Sita is a strong girl. So we will say she does yoga every day. And if I want to use the pronoun it, let us say this, take one example. The table is very strong. Now the table is a thing over here, एक वस्तु है. So for that I will say the table is very strong. It is made of best quality wood. तो मैंने table की जगह पे, table subject है यहाँ पे, table की जगह पे जो pronoun use किया it, तो it is the subjective pronoun. Similarly, if I want to talk about third person plural, तो ज़्यादा लोगों के बारे में बात करना है, then the subjective pronoun that we use is they. So this is all about subjective pronoun. Next type of pronoun is the objective pronoun. So objective pronoun जैसे subjective pronoun subject की जगह यूज़ होते हैं, objective pronoun object की जगह पे यूज़ होते हैं एक sentence के. So objective pronouns are used as direct object, indirect object और objects of preposition of the sentence. तो मैंने आपको simple language में बताया कि ये object की जगह पे यूज़ होते हैं और object usually sentence के end में आता है. तो let us see this example, you'll understand it better. This book belongs to him. तो देखो end में आया है. So him over here is the objective pronoun. The house in the village belongs to her grandfather. So यहाँ पे her is the objective pronoun. तो जो pronoun हम object की जगह पे use करते हैं that is known as objective pronoun. So let us understand this more with the table. First person. So if I want to talk about myself or us, I want to talk about I or we, one person or many people, but as the object of the sentence, तो singular के लिए होगा me and plural के लिए होगा us. So let's take this example itself. This book belongs to me. If I want to say about many, then I will say this book belongs to us. Second person. So if I want to say सामने वाले को मुझे बोलना है, so I will say this book belongs to you. देखो सब जगह पे ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह पे ही आ रहा है. Plural also it will be these books belong to you. So if I want to tell the class, So if I want to tell the class that these books belong to you, class is a plural. So for a class, second person class is for, I'm telling सामने मेरे class को बोल रही हूँ. So I will say these books belong to you. ये भी object की जगह पे use हुआ है. So for singular as well as plural we use second person objective pronoun. कौन सा use होता है? You. थर्ड पर्सन, इफ आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट अ थर्ड पार्टी, मेरे सामने नहीं है वो पार्टी बट मैं उनके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ, देन आई विल बी यूजिंग हिम, हर और इट. So if I want to talk about a boy who is not here, like this example, this book belongs to him. So if it is for a boy or a male, we use him. If it is for a female, we use her. If it is for any animal or anything, any एक वस्तु है, so then we use it. Similarly, for third person plural, we use them. So take this example itself. This book belongs to them. अगर मुझे बोलना है कि ये book काफ़ी लोगों का है, so this book belongs to them. If I want to say these books, let's not say a book, then these books belong to them. So for plural, objective pronoun, third person plural, the objective pronoun used is them. So after understanding objective pronoun, let us now see the next type of pronoun. The next type of pronoun which we have is possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun are used to show ownership or relationship. Now मुझे अगर ownership बताना है कि ये particular चीज़ किसकी है, तो which pronoun is used? Then it is possessive pronoun. तो possessive pronoun ownership या relationship बताते हैं. Let's see the example. You will clearly understand it. Sahil bought this car. It is his. So ये कार किसकी है? उसकी है. So this pronoun his over here is possessive pronoun because it is defining the ownership. It is his car. This toy belongs to me. It is mine. So this mine over here, the mine pronoun which is used over here, it is defining ownership. ये मेरा है. So mine is an example of possessive pronoun. So please note that me also is a pronoun over here. Mine is also a pronoun. But me कौन सी जो है वो objective pronoun है. Object की जगह पे use हो रहा है ना. So me is objective pronoun. Mine ये ownership बता रहा है, तो mine is possessive pronoun. So let us see the table to understand this more. First person my या mine होता है, as you saw in this example. If it is for plural, it is our or ours. So let's take this example. I'm not taking the example of toy. Let us change this to car. So this car belongs to us. Us objective pronoun. It is our car. So our जो बता रहा है ये हमारी कार है. So our over here is possessive pronoun. Second person सामने वाले के लिए बताना है कि ये सामने वाले की चीज़ है. So this toy belongs to you. You objective pronoun हुआ. It is your toy या it is yours. तो yours जो हो जाएगा will be possessive pronoun. Plural के लिए भी it is your या yours. You can take the similar example of the class. So if I want to say these books belong to you, they are yours. I'm telling to the class they are your books. So the possessive pronoun used over here is your. So for singular as well as plural, we use possessive pronoun as your or yours for second person. Third person, so if I'm talking about a third party, possessive pronoun is his for male, her for female, and its for any object or thing. Plural, okay, this example it is over here. Sahil bought this car. It is his. Plural के लिए it is their or theirs. Please note the spelling over here. It is not THERE there. THERE there मतलब उधर. But ये वाला जो there है इसका मतलब है उनका. ये उनका टॉय है. So if I want to use the same example, this toy belongs to them. Them is objective pronoun. It is theirs या it is their toy. तो their यहाँ पे जो होगा वो हो जाएगा हमारा possessive pronoun. So this is how we use possessive pronouns. After possessive pronoun, let us go to the next type. Next type we have reflexive pronoun. Now reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object refer to the same person or thing. तो यहाँ पे ये कब यूज होते हैं? जब सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों सेम पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में रिफर करते हैं. दे रिफर टू द सेम थिंग. शी डिड द क्लीनिंग ऑफ कार ऑल बाय हरसेल्फ. खुद से किया उसने. तो खुद से जो बताता है, जो प्रोनाउन बताएगा हर सेल्फ इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. द स्टूडेंट्स देमसेल्व्स अरेंज फॉर द केक फॉर द टीचर. स्टूडेंट्स ने खुद ही अरेंज किया, तो देमसेल्व्स ओवर हियर इज रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन. You should do the task yourself. Yourself is reflexive pronoun. So let us see the table and understand it more. First person, myself. So if I want to say I did the cleaning of the car myself. So अपने लिए बोलना है तो I will use myself. If I want to say for many, plural के लिए बोलना है we did the cleaning of the car ourselves. Second person, सामने वाले को you have seen this example. You should do the task yourself. For plural, second person plural, it is yourselves. So if I am telling the class means there are many students in the class. It is plural. You should do the task yourselves. The class should do the task yourselves. So then we will be using yourselves. Spelling is different. This is SELF and here we have SELVES. Third person, किसी थर्ड पार्टी के लिए we use himself, herself or itself. As you can see here, she did the cleaning of the car all by herself. If it is plural, we use themselves. Themselves example is also here. The students themselves. Students plural है. The students themselves arranged for the cake for the teacher. So this is how you use the reflexive pronouns. Now after understanding these four types, we have a summary. कि ये जो 4 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन हमने किए, दिस टेबल गिव्स यू अ समरी ऑफ द 4 टाइप्स. सो सब्जेक्टिव इज यूज्ड एज द सब्जेक्ट. ये सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे यूज होता है. ऑब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड एज द ऑब्जेक्ट. पजेसिव प्रोनाउन ओनरशिप या रिलेशनशिप बताता है. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन इज यूज्ड व्हेन द सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों रिफर टू द सेम थिंग. बोथ रिफर टू द सेम पर्सन और थिंग. सो फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन हम यूज़ करते हैं आई. ऑब्जेक्टिव में हो जाता है मी. पजेसिव में इट बिकम्स माई और माइन. रिफ्लेक्सिव में इट बिकम्स माई सेल्फ. थर्ड पर्सन के लिए सिंगुलर ही और शी. ऑब्जेक्टिव इट बिकम्स हिम और हर. पजेसिव इट बिकम्स हिज और हर. रिफ्लेक्सिव इज हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. सेकेंड पर्सन सब्जेक्टिव इज यू. Objective you. Possessive pronoun your. Reflexive yourself. Third person plural they. Objective pronoun them. Possessive their. Reflexive themselves. First person plural we use we as the subjective pronoun. Objective pronoun we use us. Possessive pronoun we use our. Reflexive ourselves. So this is the whole summary of the 4 main types of pronoun. There are other types of pronoun also, but in this lesson I hope you are clear and thorough with the 4 main types of pronoun. Okay, so after this you may attempt your assignment and your test. Have a nice day ahead. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.